Today we are going to make full wave rectifier using center tap transformer and two diodes. Here we have drawn the entire circuit diagram on a cardboard and we will make the entire circuit on this board. Now first of all, this is the center tap transformer. This is the primary coil and this is the secondary coil. Here we will input the 220 volt AC supply, and this is the output of the center tap transformer, 12 volt. This is the center tap or reference level 0 volt, and this is another 12 volt. Actually the transformer will give us an alternating output, and using the two diodes we will rectify the AC signal into a DC signal. So here we have used two diodes, D1 and D2, and for filter we have used here a 1000 microfarad 25 volt capacitor, and this is the load resistance, and this is an LED to show the output, and this is the output positive terminal and this is the output negative terminal. Now before we are going to make the entire circuit, let us introduce the components we will use to make this circuit. Here we have used a transformer. This is the center tap transformer, and we will put this here. This is the input terminals and these are the output terminals, and this is 12 volt, this is center tap or 0 volt, and this is another 12 volt. Here we will use two diodes. This is the first diode and this is the second diode, and we will use a capacitor of 1000 microfarad and 25 volt, and this will be used for the filter system, and we will put this here. Now look, this is the positive terminal of the capacitor and this is the negative terminal of the capacitor, and the positive terminal will be connected here and the negative terminal will be connected here, and this is the load resistance and this is the LED. Before we are going to make the full wave rectifier using center tap transformer, we should know that what kind of diode we will use here. So if our transformer is of 1 ampere rating, then we have to use the diode IN4007, and if the transformer is of rating 3 ampere, then we have to use the diode IN5408. Actually the transformer which will provide more than 1 ampere and within 3 ampere, we have to use IN5408, and if the transformer will provide within 1 ampere, then we have to use IN4007. Since we have used here the transformer of rating 2 ampere, so we will use here IN5408. To make the full wave rectifier, let us first fix the transformer on the board using nuts and bolts. Let us first fix the nuts and bolts like this. We have used some washers to fix the nuts here, and now let us fix the transformer over here. Now we will use some washers. We have fixed it, and this is rigid amp. Now let's add the wirings using some hot glue. Let's add the input AC terminal. This is the plug and wire, and we have used here two slip rings for safety purpose. Now let us add these two wires in the input terminals. Now let's add the outputs of the transformer with the wires. Now let's add the diode. Before adding the diodes, let us check what is the anode and what is the cathode of the diode. The terminal where the silver ring is provided by the manufacturer is the cathode terminal, and the another terminal where the black part of the diode is the anode terminal. So we are using here IN5408 diode. So let's add the diodes. Now let's add the capacitor for filter purpose. This is the capacitor of 1000 microfarad 25 volt, and the longer terminal is the positive terminal and this shorter terminal is negative terminal, and here the negative sign has been provided by the manufacturer. Now let's add the capacitor in the circuit. Now let's add the resistance and the LED. We have used here an 470 ohm resistance, and this is an red LED. Let's add this. The circuit is complete. Now let's check it. Now let's check the output voltage. We are using an multimeter. Let's check this. The output voltage is almost 15 to 16 volt with load. If you want such technology related videos, please subscribe our channel and make like, share and comment.